Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them on Vercel can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you address any billing issues efficiently. Step 1. Review your billing history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to the billing error. This includes your account details, transaction ID, and any relevant emails or notifications from Vercel. Having this information ready will help streamline the resolution process. Step 3. Contact Vercel support. Visit the Vercel support page and submit a ticket regarding your billing issue. Provide a clear description of the problem, including the information you gathered in the previous step. Be concise but thorough to ensure they understand your concern. Step 4. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up on your support ticket. You can also check the status of your ticket through the support portal to ensure it is being addressed. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue has been resolved, keep an eye on your account and future billing statements. Make sure that the corrections have been applied and that no further errors occur. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to support again. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on Vercel and ensure your account remains in good standing.